So guys, is the new pit bikes SSR 125 dirt bike, pit bike, whatever you want to call it. I love this motorcycle. It's one of my favorite motorcycles I ever had. It has a kill switch. SSR Motorsports. It's very awesome. It's 4 gears, 124cc disc brakes, disc brake in the back, very long chain, kickstart, oil. It has what more it has? It has whatever motorcycle has, but it's very awesome. A good engine, fast. The only thing I didn't like about it is that I fall down because everybody falls down. So I fall down and my brake's kind of weird now, but it doesn't matter. It still stops good. The kill switch, you can move it whatever you want. You can even put it in your finger. Joking. So, good suspension is good for the dirt too. So guys, it's very awesome. I fall down. I changed the muffler. It's very easy to change the muffler. So I changed the muffler because the original muffler has a very loud one. It's kind of dirty right now. Tires are good. Tires are way better in the front. I fall down and scratch a sheet accident. I mean, it's normal. I mean, it's not normal, but good thing I was safe. And the fuel, it has good fuel. I mean, it weighs a lot of gas. I just gotta say that. It weighs a lot of gas. It even has a V number. It's right there, right here, as you can see. And it weighs gas. I'm not gonna lie. The thing is a very quick motorcycle, dirt bike, whatever you want to call it. I call it motorcycle, or I call it my flashy because it's fast. I put the number 11 with electrical tape. Good suspension on front too. It's good spark plugs. Oh, it even has an intake. That's weird, like a filter. So that's a cool thing. This one. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna show you the owner's manual. So here we go. And this is my brother's. I'm gonna make another video on that one. Okay guys, so got the owner's manual. I got it from Major Motorsports. Very good company. They sell they sell zero motorcycles. Not zero, is the brand. Honda, Suzuki, Harley Davidson, Yamaha, guys, I don't know what's this. Kawasaki, I don't know. It's on 6545 West Sahara Avenue, Las Vegas, Nevada, 89146. Yeah. So you guys can get the picture from there. And put that on the side. There's a cat looking at me. It's creepy. So there's a SSR motorcycle pit bike owner manual. So as you can see, this is all the motorcycles I have right now. Let me take a picture of it. Okay, so blah blah blah. This is everything. Okay, it's engine oil, whatever, just all the thing it needs. Owner manual, very good owner manual. So okay, so this is my other bikes. Not joking. Oh, look, you can see the thing it has it. Let me take a picture of it. It's a very good safety thing. I like how it goes. It makes wheelies. So I'm gonna make a video right now starting it. So here we go. As you can see, I'm gonna kickstart it. Hold on guys, let me start it. I just started. I changed the muffler. Okay, very good. Right now it's cold. So here we go. Here. You guys good? Hold on. So. You can see guys. So you want to turn it off? Just guys, it drives good. It drives awesome. He has like a warning thing. Yeah. Awesome motorcycle. Make sure to like and subscribe to this video. And have a good day. God bless your day. And thank you. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Oh, I'm gonna make a part 2 about the motorcycle, my brother's one. Okay.